So the purpose of this code is to draw a kind of painting. We want to draw multiple flowers of different colors, different sizes, different thicknesses, and things like that. There's two files that work to do this. We have draw flowers and flowers main, both of which are important. When we run this file here, we're able to see the painting. Yeah, as you can see, flowers of all different sizes, all different colors within the blue spectrum, and also different pen thicknesses, so different thicknesses as well. And then we append this to our flowers list, so we can use this list in a later code. And here we have a function here. This allows us to actually print all these objects and show all the flowers. And when we call this function down here, we're able to see the final result.